Good morning everyone. It's an absolutely amazing day. I'm really chuffed because something exciting is happening today. I promised you, didn't I? It's going to be exciting. Would you like me to tell you what it is? We are going camping. Yep, and I'm proper excited about it. Just get off the driveway. We, as a family, we are quite hippified, which is weird because I also like the finer things in life, and normally people are like, oh no, I wouldn't go camping, you know, which I completely understand, to be honest. Hang on, sorry. There we go, that's better. I do completely understand that, but we love it. We love getting back to basics. If you haven't seen my camping videos from previously, I'll try and link them down there, but I can't promise because it's going to be such a busy day today and it's really, really hot. Today is the day that Stacey's friend Emma gets married, so I'm really pleased for them about the weather. Honestly, it's so hot and it's not even 8 o'clock yet, so I'm up and going to work firstly, which it's I don't mind because it's a lady who's a really, really good customer of mine. I've been doing her hair twice a week for years, so I don't like to let her down if I can help it. And then I'm going to meet up with Scott for a lovely cheeky coffee, and then we're going to go shopping and get all of that fresh stuff that we have to get, because we're not that posh that we have fridges and all that whatnot, but because we're only going like an hour down the road to a beautiful place in Robertsbridge, we are going to take both our cars, and we're filling them up with 3 children, 1 dog, lots of other stuff, so that we, you know, we've got everything that we need there, and it's brilliant. I'm going to vlog the whole thing for you, so I want to get off from rambling and I will put these sunglasses on and I'm going to show you my journey.
One biscuit today because I'm cutting down. This is a bourbon, and as you can see it's rather large. Yeah, it goes with the cup of coffee there, and I'm actually only having 1 bourbon a day. I'm cutting down just to 1 biscuit a day. Alright?
You're not funny.
And you want to see the size of the packet it came in. It was that long. Fantastic.
And I'm having my small, healthy. You're going to have a shave, aren't you?
Might do.
You excited about our holiday?
I am. I'm going to get out the flyer and do my face. Do you want one then?
How much are they?
£2.
I'll probably eat one of them. Won't the halloumi?
A little milk.
Yeah, to the barbecue. Yeah, come on then.
One then.
Why not? This is a good idea.
What about the beetroot?
Well,
Some
I like a
beetroot?
bit of beetroot. Are you excited, Harley? Hello. Hello.
Oh, hi.
Hi. You excited?
Yeah.
Ready to go? Nearly or
Yeah.
completely?
Completely.
Nice shorts, Jasmine. You look like... Oh, you put a short t-shirt on as well.
I did.
No, you didn't shave.
I didn't shave. It's all in the car with aftershave and my feet and my razor and my mirror. Be impressed.
Can I borrow the mirror? I forgot mine.
I might let you have a look. Right?
Can we go? Are you excited?
No, I'm hard.
Lord.
Are we ready to go camping? You sleeping in our room? Yeah, sausages, burgers, steak, chicken, chops. Don't do that salad stuff, do we?
Let's go on holiday.
Go on holiday. I'm going on holiday. It's holiday.
So we've just arrived. He's just done his business and I've got no bag, so I'm waiting for Jasmine. Here she comes. She's coming back now with her very nice young man called Ben. You'll get to see him this weekend. Nice day, look. Harley, where are you? You on holiday? You right, Jazz?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're having a bit of a refresh.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's have a pan around. Camp's coming together. It's all looking very untidy, as it always does. Don't know where the others are all gone. Around the back, I think, aren't they?
Yeah, I think so.
Got a field of cows over there. Let's try and zoom in a bit on them. Look at that. Got a bit of countryside. Looks like someone's got their fires light already. They'll Paul over there getting his stuff. I doubt when he sees the camera, he'd be very silly. Oh, say hello.
Come on in.
Oh, his little tail. I wonder what you're doing. What's going on, Harley? You alright, Scott?
Yeah, you want to give Harley a drink?
You're getting knackered? Right, talk us through the kit. What we got?
We have, this is the tent.
It is the tent with the fairy lights.
We have the cooking facilities area, kitchen.
Facilities area.
Sun lounge to the right here.
Sun lounge.
Sun lounge.
Wash here with
Yes,
exercise area.
Interior dining.
Interior dining.
Interior kitchen.
Interior kitchen looks very organised.
Bedrooms yet to be finished.
Yet to be finished. Okay.
And then we have the small person tent.
Do we need the 60-minute makeover people?
Yes,
to finish off the bedrooms?
Yeah.
Okay. And this is the 1 second, please. The cleaning area with the gloves and the yes. You're in your element, aren't you?
Yeah.
Where's the kids gone then?
Drugs.
Huh?
Probably get some drugs, that sort of thing.
Getting drugs. They're getting water. Oh, they're miles away. I can't touch it then. Yeah. So this is our kit. Hi, Michelle, our friend. My little friend there is very good. You're being a good boy. Getting a little bit windy now though. A bit windy, and I need something to tie my hair up with, Scott, and I haven't got anything. If I stand the way the wind's going, it's alright. I look like I'm on a pop film. If I stand the other way, I just look like I'm in a mess. Like English. Oh, someone's got a kite over there. Look at that. Sorry if you've just gone giddy doing that. Well, look at this. This looks like a small work of art there. I can see why you went to get your art degree now.
Well, man make fire, cook meat. That's what it is. Yeah.
He still hasn't shaved. He still hasn't shaved. I think it's a disgrace.
Someone finish this fire, I'll have no hair left anyway.
Citronella candle. Gotta have them, haven't ya?
Blonde hair, blue eyes, that'll make you faint on sight. But she looks like trouble. Her lips so kissable and poisonous. I know she won't be good for me, but I don't care, 'cause I know it's so rare for a guy like me to get a chance with a girl like her. And I won't waste that chance. 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 'Cause she got me like. Her looks, I assume they come with a price. She's smiling, but that may just be a disguise. I wanna say hi, but I'm scared she'll kill me. Could we? Will we? Would she? Probably not. But
I like your jumper, Harley. You're nice and warm now. He's nice and warm now, Daddy.
Hola. Hello, Mum. I'm the shit.
We only done it right once each time, so.
So fairy.
It's funny, isn't it? Instructions give you the idea of how not to do it, and then you go, oh yeah, right, okay. We're pretty much here, fellas. So leave that.
don't care, 'cause I know it's so rare for a guy like me to get a chance with a girl like her. And I won't waste that chance. 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 'Cause she got me low.
Hi everyone. So you can see it's quite busy back there, so I've literally just come into the shower block to so it's not so noisy, and I'm just going to say thank you for watching this vlog because I'm going to bed quite soon. I like to go to bed when we're camping, when it's like the sun goes down, so probably we all smell bonfirey. It's lovely actually, I like that. It's been such a good day, and I know I look really awful and tired, but I feel so good. I love this nature stuff, it's great, and I'll see you in the morning. Bye bye for now.